you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You need a fucking Dodge 1500 or Chevy Silverado with real straight. It's got brakes on the trailer.
It'll do it one. That's why I say, well, I gotta get a hold of me a truck. I'll be all right.
Let me hear you, bro.
Somebody here? Huh? What's going on, man?
What up, man?
How you been, man?
Pretty good, pretty good.
All right, you got your bid out here today?
Now I'm about to get back in the game.
Hey.
Maybe 2 years.
Yeah, you be back. Hey, you gotta take a break
How
sometime.
little power was it? How many little tractors?
Oh, for sure. I'll be back around there. Oh, yeah, you gotta, oh, yeah.
If you sit in this way, because it likes that door.
Okay. It said like that door. It get windy in here?
Oh yeah. The only reason I ain't got that other seat in there is because it chokes the port up too much.
Okay, hit it right up, yeah, close it in.
Yeah, and it doesn't want to do anything on the low end.
What you running in here, man?
It's eight Brazilian Sound Gold V215s. It's a 1.5 to 1 ratio, 4th order, tuned to 40. 4 Stetson Vulcan 8Ks at 1 ohm. 2 Mechman Elite 400 amp alternators, 160 amp hours C-Max. Doors is 3 RS10Ms, 2 DS18 Super Tweets.
Got a lot in here, don't you?
Yep, Pioneer 80 PRS.
I didn't know you had this many in here. I thought you had like 4 or something.
Yeah, we rebuilt it over. I missed high voltage and Brazilian Sounds last year.
Yeah.
We did a full gut out. This is a full shell build.
During the off season, you came back.
Yeah, me and Jeffrey Roadheaver did this.
Yeah. Jeff did some good work. Y'all cut up on this one.
Oh yeah, and it was a big slow.
So you gotta take the front off to get it in there. You take this whole front piece off?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is just a temporary port for testing right now, seeing what it likes.
If it's doing as much wind as you say it's alright then.
Shoot like a Montana, chop up bullets, make them shit. I just hit my friend, told a kid.
Yes, sir.
I put powder on my collar cause she proud of what I say.
It's a little warm in here. They're brand new, so they're still breaking in.
They look good, man. Let them know where they can find you on social media, man.
Facebook, Shane Lane, Instagram, RS Jam and Jimmy. That's basically the 2 platforms I'm on.
Oh, yes, sir. Y'all should get good to see you, bro.
Yes, sir. You too.
I might have to
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.